The story of Dhirubhai Ambani, from cloth seller to business tycoon. Dhirubhai Ambani, the founder of Reliance Industries, was not born into wealth. He grew up in a small village in Gujarat, India. His father was a school teacher, and money was always tight. But Dhirubhai had something special, a vision and an unbreakable spirit. At the age of 16, he left for Yemen to work as a clerk. He earned a modest salary, but he dreamed big. He observed the business world around him and learned everything he could. He often said, "Think big, think fast, think ahead." After a few years, he returned to India with a dream, to start his own business. He began by selling fabrics from a small shop in Mumbai. He faced struggles, lack of money, no proper contacts, but he didn't give up. He believed that success comes to those who dare to dream and work hard for it. With his sharp business sense and bold decisions, he expanded his small fabric business into Reliance Industries. He introduced the brand, Vimal, which became a household name in India. People admired his ability to provide quality products at affordable prices. His biggest strength was his belief that ordinary people can achieve extraordinary things. He raised funds from common people, making them investors in his company. He wanted everyone to grow with him. By the time he passed away in 2002, Reliance had grown into one of India's largest business empire, with interests in textiles, petrochemicals, telecommunications, and more. Key lessons from Dhirubhai Ambani's journey. Dream big. Your background doesn't define your future. Take risks. Success often comes to those who are willing to take bold steps. Believe in people. Empowering others can multiply your success. Never give up. Obstacles are part of the journey. Keep moving forward. His story proves that with determination, smart work, and belief in your dreams, you can build an empire, even from nothing.